Towing a big boy trailer like this can be an absolute nightmare. They will sway at the slightest breeze. The True Course Trailer Sway Control by CURT will help keep you and those around you safe. Picture this. You're navigating through some rough road conditions. Maybe there's some unexpected gusts of wind or you need to make a sudden move to dodge something in the road. That's where this cutting-edge electronic sway control system comes into play. This system is designed to keep your trailer steady and in line, ensuring a safe and reliable towing experience no matter the conditions. What sets our sway control system apart is its ability to take charge independently. It can intervene when your trailer starts swaying, even bypassing the trailer braking controller, or before you have time to react, meaning you can count on it during those split-second emergency situations. Even though it seems like magic, it's not. It's CURT's cutting-edge technology that brings this control to life. And here's the tech magic. Our system is equipped with state-of-the-art motion sensing technology. This clever technology detects trailer movements outside the control range of your standard weight distribution hitch. But there's even more. We've taken it up a notch by making our system compatible with both the One Control RV and Auto apps. You'll receive notifications and updates, ensuring you're always in the loop about what's happening with your trailer. So if you want to know more about the True Course Trailer Sway Control by CURT, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.